Ngucanio ya thibitari wa Memorial kaunti-ini ya Nakuru na arugamĩrĩri kĩũmbe arĩa makoretwo makĩũrũgamĩrĩra ndĩgũthiraga ya ATIRA thutha wa ngavana wa Nakuru Susan Kihika kuuga marũa ma kũiyũkia thibitari ũyũ rungu rwa ũrũgamĩrĩri kĩũmbe matikwerũhio. Kihika augĩte thirikari yake yahiũkire kũgitĩra thibitari ũyũ kumana na njama ya kwendia kũrĩ arũgamĩrĩri kĩũmbe, akiuga mbunge ya kaunti ya mwaka wa 2019 nĩ yahĩtũkirie thibitari ũyũ ũrũgamĩrĩrwo nĩ kaunti thengia ya ihoya rĩa arũgamĩrĩri kĩũmbe rĩa kuongerera ihinda rĩa marũa ma ũrũgamĩrĩri.
According to the county government, they took over the hospital after the arrest of the directors. According to what I know, the directors don't learn or they are no doctors. So they are talking of their 300 health workers that run that War Memorial Hospital. So that takeover, here is not anything much. It's about that forceful takeover. The hospital can be taken over by the county government, Dr. Aruare, no problem. But why did we have that forceful takeover?
I still believe that Constitution at Schedule 4, 2, subsection 2, does not allow the county government to take over private hospitals. It is only allowed to take over county health facilities, not private hospitals. That's my position.
We believe we have made a good enough case as to why the people here purporting to be the rightful owners of War Memorial Hospital are not, why we stand with our position that, for example, the reason that there was a cancellation of that lease was due to falsification of the process.
Thibitari ũyũ ũrĩa kwa ihinda rĩrĩ ũrĩ rungu rwa arũgamĩrĩri wa Nakuru War Memorial Hospital Limited ũkoretwo na gĩthagathago, arũgamĩrĩri magĩkuruhanio na kũiyũkia marũa ma ũrũgamĩrĩri na ngungo.
The governor has demonstrated to us to an extent, and I hope we shall not go into manenos of sub judice, that the court that gave that particular order is not competent. It has no jurisdiction. As a lawyer, do you agree that the Environment Court should give an order which you should rely on to come and defend the hospital before the Senate?
After the new constitution of 2010, when a lease expires, then it reverts back to the government, and in this case, county government, because health is devolved. We know it's a devolved function, and also because they did not follow the due process or the proper process to get a lease extension or a lease renewal.
Ngavana Kihika augĩte thirikari yake hatirĩ handũ ya kuruhania na gũtũmanya na kĩtabania tharĩko iria ciacũngĩrĩirie kũhingwo kwaguo.
Public notices issued, Madam Governor, given to the public to allow for a smooth transfer of patients, because I can see their claims that they're even talking about several patients died and many were denied access.
Are not given any right to make a choice. All had very limited choice. They were physically denied essential items like food, drugs, oxygen, and care, plus other things. Their privacy and dignity were invaded.
Nginyagia rĩu thengia watho wa igoti madirekta maugĩte makoretwo makinyamario ona gũthitangwo igoti-inĩ na matirĩ na rũtha rwa gũkinya thibitari-inĩ ũyũ amu ũrarangĩrwo nĩ nyanake ciethaĩte. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndũng'ũ.